How to add location link in Canva invitation card. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to add location link in Canva invitation card. First, go to the Canva website on the web browser. Once logged in, open any invitation card you want. Then click on the location area to add your location. Next, remove the previous address and click on the link icon. After that, go to Google Maps and find the location that you want to add. Now click on the location and select the share option. Here, copy the link and paste it in the place on the Canva website. Then hit the Done button and click on the share option at the top. Click on Download and select the file type to download it. After downloading it, open it in the browser. Lastly, you can edit it by adding the address in the given area. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.